journey started from Kolkata, my home, a city that is very much alive even at night. Tonight, while the city is still breathing through neon lights, I'm leaving it behind. No convoy, no backup. Just my black Royal Enfield Bullet 350. As the city fades, the highway takes over. Street lights become stars, and the bullet starts singing in deep, slow song. And something new keeps pulling me forward. This is where the real ride begins. No traffic, no noise, just wind and engine. Some people are afraid of the dark, but some fall in love with it. Who loves the darkness of the night? Who loves the silence of the night? The night tests you, but quitting is not an option. Because when you ride this far, you stop asking how much is left and start asking how strong you are. 800 kilometers on a 300cc machine in a single day, a proof that a man and a machine can cross anything if the heart does not refuse to stop. This is not the end of the journey. This is where the real adventure begins. The Nepal ride begins.
Hi, I am Arijit and I have just completed my Kolkata to Nepal bike trip in the winter 2025. In this road trip of 3000 kilometers, I have covered Lower Mustang, Manang, and then I have trekked to the frozen Tilicho Lake in the peak winter in the month of December 2025. I'm recording this video to give you all the important information regarding the budget, permits, best route, and some important tips. So that if you are planning your bike trip from Kolkata to Nepal, you can refer to this video and be prepared a little bit. So the best available route right now is from Kolkata via Asansol, Dhanbad, and then you reach Dhobi. And from Dhobi, you take a right turn towards Gaya, Patna, Muzaffarpur. Then you reach Raxaul, and from Raxaul, you enter border city of Nepal, that is Birgunj. In the winter time, the roads are covered with thick fog. If you consider the riding time somewhat around 16 to 17 hours with some fuel breaks and some food breaks, this time extends to 24 hours. If you are not comfortable riding in night, you can stay the night in Patna, Muzaffarpur, or even at Gaya. Coming to the most important part of the video, that is a budget for the Nepal ride. Right? You must keep a budget for around 1,500 Indian rupees, which is equivalent to 2,500 Nepali rupees for your everyday stay and food budget. I have stayed in Nepal for 15 days, completed this entire 15-day trip in just 37,000 Indian rupees. At the border, the Indian BSF will check your identity cards and you can officially enter Nepal. Right after you have entered Nepal, you can spot the Birgunj customs office at the left side of the road. This is where you get the bhansar paper of your bike. Head straight towards the inquiry, show them the RC book of your bike, and after paying a fees of 200 Nepali rupees per day for your bike, you can get the bhansar paper ready within 10 minutes. Right after you've got the bhansar paper, this is a time when you should go to a local SIM card shop and get a Nepali SIM card. You can show your Indian Aadhaar card. They activate the SIM card within 5 minutes. You need to get the Annapurna Conservation Area permit. And the best place to get the permits done is from Pokhara. If you are reaching Pokhara planning to get the permit on the same day of your arrival, you need to reach before 4 p.m. There is another option for you. There is a Annapurna Conservation Area permit office at the Ghasa checkpost. If you're planning to go to the Manang area first, then head straight towards Besi Sahar. There's also another Annapurna Conservation Area permit office where you can get the permits done. The fees for the permit is 1,000 Nepali rupees for the Lower Mustang and Muktinath side, and another 1,000 rupees for the Manang and Tilicho side. You need to carry your Aadhaar card as a proof of your identity. Remember to carry 2 copies of passport size photos with you for each side of the permits. On the way to Lower Mustang, the best idea is to fill up the fuel tank of your bike at Beni petrol pump. On the way to Manang, remember to fill up the fuel tank of your bike before 1 kilometer of Besi Sahar. The people of Nepal are wonderful. Food is awesome. You should definitely try the jhol momo, the thupka, and the thakali thali. I am making a separate video for Manang, Mustang, and Tilicho. I'll see you on the next video. Happy riding.